shake the camera too much because the mic. Hello. It's too bright. Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to my crib. So first things first, we have these two giant beautiful windows. Thank you, cameraman. In this window, I just put this nice little IKEA plant and I thought it would look perfecto. Thank you. Look at the view.
It's a little... What?
These two boxes here because my table just came in. I'll explain more later. Okay, I forgot to explain more later. So, this table has a crack in it. Literally, what is my luck with tables? Because my last apartment, I had 6 cracks. But here's our lovely table. But yeah, they sent me a replacement one, so yay. It wasn't my fault this time, guys. So, let's go up the stairs. Not my butt again. Diego. I have this sign that says, "A spoiled, rotten Papillon lives here." Hi, it's you.
But you're better looking.
We have this little key rack entryway.
Coat hanger.
Yes.
Slash
Thing.
purse hanger.
Mm-hmm.
Slash plant.
Plant holder.
Holder.
So I got this from Target, and basically it just holds all of our keys, coats, and purses, and plants. Oh, and also Simba's little leash and collar. Ooh. Beautiful plants hanging down. I'm such an interior designer. Diego! We got these 2 plants from IKEA. I've had them for a really long time and I had no idea what to do with like this empty wall. Okay, moving on to here. Man, welcome to my living room.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Actually looks real nice. Oh, epic shot.
I really poorly hung up these Christmas lights. I love Christmas lights, so it doesn't matter. It's the vibe that counts. TV that came with the apartment. Up at the top, I have this giant hole right in the wall. Honestly, I love it because it opens up the space from the stairs. And up here, we have...
Just wants to be in the shot.
I have some decor pieces. I got this hourglass. This, also from Target. And these are the little plants that are hanging on the other side. And then on this side, if you watched my last apartment tour, we got this little bang head hair.
Bang head hair.
We got this bang head here square, and it was on our coffee table, but now we just have it up there. This is our entertainment center. We have my PS4 because I'm a gamer. I play COD, guys. I play COD. Beautiful baby Alexa. Alexa, I love you. We have a diffuser, a phone charger, a Nintendo Switch, because like I said, I'm a gamer. And down here we have a bunch of movies. Ooh, we got some SpongeBob. And then some games. Yeah, Diego's, we don't care about that. Let's go. I didn't show you guys our balcony last time, but this is the balcony. So this is our lovely balcony that I like to decorate every holiday because we are festive. I need to take this down. It's not Christmas anymore. I have some cute lights that light up at night on a sensor. In here we have storage. Yeah, we're not gonna show that. 2 rocking chairs that I literally love. Matches the whole vibe of the apartment. We have a table that came with it. A plant that I got from
They got the plant, they seen it. From Target. And our house is from Target, we get it.
The Target dollar section.
Dun, 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 oh, dun, dun, okay.
Renegade.
Ooh.
Do you not like my TikTok dances?
Leave those to Maya.
My punches I could roll with.
Beautiful body.
We have this nice light gray couch to brighten up the room because we have a lot of like black appliances. I got 2 pillows from Target. I also got this little throw blanket
from Target. We got all this from Target. We got the clock from Target. We got all this from Target. Our house is Target.
Target, you want to sponsor? The pictures inside these frames are actually from Society 6. It's like an online website. I have a print of palm trees, San Diego, like the map in black and white, and the ocean because it just reminds me of home and like I like beach vibes in my house. We have 2 little extra throw blankets.
Show 'em that one.
Ooh, this is a Star Wars.
Dun.
I love this color of wood. We have a plant, we have our TV remote, a candle from Bath & Body Works, and it's not winter candy apple, it is fresh balsam. So good. Here, hey. So I love this little circle mirror. I got it from, say it with me folks,
Target.
Here are the buttons. It has 6 different levels. It can also change direction and stop and turn on the fan light. Beautiful. At the bottom, we have this nice IKEA plant. Over here, beautiful light fixtures. Hell yeah. I have 2 black bar stools. I like the little cutout right here, and I also made sure that the bottom was silver so that it matched the rest of the kitchen. Centerpiece, yeah, whatever. And my sink though. We have a giant sink, and this comes out. You could like, ooh. I'm adulting. Then we have a dishwasher. Lovely. A giant fridge. You wanna see my fridge? Ooh, interesting. Personal. And our freezer. I finally have a nice water and ice dispenser. She's so cute. Maya, are you seeing this right now? Yeah, Maya Griffith. Water.
We have a vacuum.
Beautiful. What is this called?
Like a little chimney. That's what I would call it.
Yeah, right. It looks like a chimney. It's just for the
sucks
smoke.
up the smoke.
Yeah.
So it's like a futuristic chimney.
Yeah. Hi. Okay, so I don't know what it is, but every single time I turn on the camera, I lose all my brain cells and I start acting like I'm a dumb bitch. And I can't form proper sentences, but I'm not. I swear. Okay. And it's a kitchen hood. I don't know, very bougie, I must say. I have a cupboard for cups, a cupboard for dishes.
Popcorn.
I have my beautiful baby Keurig
That I bought.
that you got for me. Love her. She has a frother. Our nice oven. This is a Kenmore appliance, if you care.
What are your viewers, 30, dog? All hail the king.
I like to keep this surface clean, but I have a whole bunch of little magnets from all those states that I've been to. I actually started with keychains, but I lost all of them. So I restarted, and I only have like a couple. Also, I got some stuff from the shows. From Disney, Hell's Kitchen. My boyfriend when he was a junior in high school. He's a football player. Cute pictures of me and Maya, some Polaroids, me and Ashley, and me and Diego, and my blonde brownie recipe, which is bombs.com. Also,
ooh, damn, I didn't even see that one. That's nice.
Where's our microwave? Huh? In the cabinet. And other appliances, Kenmore, if you're wondering. We have some more giant cabinets. These are so tall that we had to get a step stool. Short people problems.
And she barely reaches it.
Also, another thing I love about the kitchen is the lighting. Right here, we have a dining table. Yeah, we're taking out this thing right here. And this is just where I keep all of my packages that I save for videos.
You didn't even talk about the flowers I got.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
kind of hurt.
We have our pantry. Ooh.
Looking organized.
Wow. In here, we have the laundry room. Yeah, honestly, so thankful that we have a laundry room in our unit. I organized it really cute, very Pinterest. These 2 little baskets. Right here is my bathroom. It's all pink, if you couldn't tell. I have a whole marble platter with Kylie Skin, The Ordinary, and Glossier. Honestly, all of these suck. It's just pink and it looks pretty and it matches. So yeah, all of my stuff is actually in here. And then I have a marble soap dispenser. And my favorite part, the office. And the last room. This projector clock that shows the time on the ceiling, which, can you see it right now?
Backwards.
It shines on the wall so that we can just open our eyes and look up and see the time. And then in here we have another bathroom. Same thing with the touch mirror light. This is more like Diego's bathroom, but like we both use it. This is the one I actually shower in.
The best thing.
As you can see, this is Diego's decor piece. A gold elephant in a silver bathroom. But to make it look cuter, I'm just the best. I got a soap dispenser and put gold on it. And right here is our shower. Ooh, shower essentials, function of beauty, Diego stuff. And our nice shower head. Honestly, I just love how all of this looks. Like, come on. Also has his own medicine cabinet thing. And then lastly in here, it's just a linen closet. And yeah, so that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love this place so freaking much. I couldn't be happier. I love you guys so much. Thanks for supporting and letting us live in a nice place like this. And
Stop what you're doing and listen.
bye.